Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO team for Lemon. Today we'll learn how to scrap the business names, rating, and number of reviews from the Trustpilot and from the all pages using a specific query. So for this purpose, we will use the collab.research.google.com and this code. You can find this code URL from the link of the description of this YouTube video. Okay, cancel this, delete all the sample information. Okay, click on the code, paste the code here. Okay, for example, I want to search for catering businesses. So for this purpose, come to the page number 2 and copy this URL, paste here and change to page number 1. Press enter. How many pages I want to scrap? First 4 pages. So here you can see it's fetching. Also, you can use the simple base URL. For example, it's the URL. Copy this and store the code. Paste here. 2 pages. Here you can see it's fetching all the details. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.